Morning guys.
Morning.
Today, which is pissing down outside, we're going to go to Blackpool Tower.
Yay!
No? Well, Natalie was sitting up all last night worrying about it because she doesn't like heights, and I don't know when this changed, but remember it used to have a square block of glass?
The Walk of Faith.
The Walk of Faith, is that what it's called? Well, now apparently it's a whole floor that extends out over the building. It looks quality. You got a date, Natalie?
I don't know.
I don't even know if I'm going to date, to be honest.
I had a bit of a mental breakdown at the Eiffel Tower.
Ah, she did have a bit. No, but you were alright once you got a bit happier. I've got video evidence.
I mean, you should watch the video evidence back. It definitely was the opposite of alright. It wasn't like, oh my goodness.
You did, you were loving it.
My fear of heights has been cured.
It has been conquered.
Fantastic.
I know.
Let me get Everest.
So we actually did see the tower last night, just quickly, when we jumped in to get a Pizza Hut.
Do you want to say about what happened?
Oh aye, we were walking round the corner to get a Pizza Hut and Natalie was like shouting, "There's a tower there, there's a tower there," and I'm like, where? And literally in front of us, as massive it was just standing there, so aye.
We were like a block away, so that's how tall it was. I was like,
aye.
look!
A block?
Look.
You American, aye?
Look! Look!
We were a street away. It was right in front of us, so aye, it should be good today. We're looking forward to it. Anything else? Is that us? We get ready to go?
Yeah, I don't know, we'll probably go hit the shops and stuff too.
Oh, we might do some shopping as well, so we'll take you along for that. If we don't look like weirdos filming in shops, if we see anything exciting. We also seen the pier last night and all, which looks amazing. And it just looks like a mini Las Vegas.
It's going to the North Pier.
Oh, the North Pier. Sorry, I thought there was only one pier here. Natalie tells me there's like many.
I think there's
three
either
something,
three
maybe?
or there's two.
Aye, there's
The
definitely
one here
one.
in Fleetwood burned down, which is sad. Because I remember that from when I was wee and I wanted to show Chris, but it burned down in 2008.
Right, shall we get going then? We'll see you at the tower.
Bye!
Just right at the front door we've got this. So that's us just in the tower now, in the lobby. How cool is this? It's like pure art decor, pure old school. What do you think, Natalie? Tower's pretty cool looking, isn't it? Look at all this. Feels like the 1950s.
It's like the 1920s, 1930s.
It is.
Like in weird decades.
Well, I'm just saying it's the 19-somethings. I like these wee windows as well. So, we have to take the stairs to level 5, she said?
Yeah.
Okay.
So here's the ballroom where we've come dancing and that.
Is it?
Finals of the film.
What, in here?
Here, yeah, so let's shut this now. Wow, that's really weird.
I know guys, check the weather out here. It is crazy. Yesterday was alright, and today, torrential rain. I like this. There's a ballroom, so that's where Strictly was filmed. The finals. Crack big mirror. Your hair's great, Natalie. So we're only on level 3 now. It's going to keep going up to 5.
I'm glad they haven't been for fitting.
We just take our time.
Everybody else just seems to have given up there and took the lift.
They're just getting the lift all the way up. So there's golf up here as well, in front of us. A wee mini golf. Also a wee cafe here. Cafe looks cool. So that's us just at the top. Where are we at the top? What do you think that's? How are you feeling?
No.
No? Not liking it? How about this bit right here? Oh, I don't like that. Right guys, I'm going to give you a wee look down. I'm definitely not going on this. Look at the glass. Oof.
Chris has been really brave and he's just standing on it.
What you can't see is my legs are shaking.
How do you feel?
Not good. Long down. Just decided to come up the very top myself. Natalie wasn't really wanting to come up and get soaking because it is wet today. Obviously she's not very good with heights. So I brought the phone camera. I didn't want to get the Canon all soaked. It is cool up here. Whoa, but it's windy and wet. That's the highway. It'd have been good if we could have got some better views. But this is literally it. This is us on top of the world. We've got a Charlie Chaplin clown here. Or King of Clowns, sorry, it's a statue. Cool's that. Some of the things here about him. I'm just going to have a wee look round the gift shop here. We should probably not buy it because it's usually quite dear, but I quite like these prints. Got some mugs as well. Some tote bags. What is this here? Trophies. Alright, trophies telling you that you conquered the Blackpool Tower. We got some fun watches for the kids and they're £8. I like this wee one. He's cool. Then we just get the usual stuff you'd expect from Blackpool and that. We fake Eiffel Towers. And then, oh how cool's this? The dungeon stuff. Nats, how cool's that mug? So this mug is £9. Tell you what, that is a steal. Oh, I like that.
I wanted to go to the dungeons but they're shut.
I like that skull. All this dungeon stuff is brilliant, isn't it?
I love this badge.
That's much of the badges. So this wee badge here guys, that is £3.50. That is brilliant. I love this. Don't lose your head.
That bear is adorable.
These are cracking, man.
His little face.
Oh, I love these magnets. Much of the magnets? £4, that's brilliant. I like this one, the skull. It's not got a price on it.
There's a keyring with a rat in it.
That's cool, man. Aye, these are all good, I like them. I like these wee things as well.
I am Aldo, the mystical one. Step a little closer, but not too close. I might accidentally turn you into a frog. Now, let's see. Well, I know you have potential for great wealth.
I think there's a man in there.
Wealth is not really important to you since you have already learned that money alone does not buy happiness.
I said that literally one for one the other
day. A dream rather than a pot of gold. You believe in yourself and, just for the record, I believe in you too. Your lucky number is 2, and your lucky day is Saturday, and your lucky food is pizza.
Oh my god, that is. What did they give you?
Romance or great friendship.
Right. Cool. And they got your favourite food right?
He did. And I said the other day that I didn't really care about money because it doesn't buy you happiness. I said that word for word the other day.
And then a typical thing that Blackpool's known for, amusements.
I love it.
I love a look at this thing here,
That does look fun.
isn't it? Everyone's a winner apparently, Natalie. Natalie literally just said, oh wicked, a wrestling belt.
Well,
It's not, it's a boxing belt.
Is that not the same thing?
No. Just a statue of it. The Tower Belt Blackpool. So Natalie was just informing me that this big thing here is hundreds of comedy sketches. I can actually see a cool joke there, but I'm going to zoom in and see if you guys can see it. Oh, the tram's going to ruin it. Typical.
Monorail.
Right, wait, alright, you might be able to see this guy's face up here. It says, I'm an idiot, what's your excuse?